Every smart LED TV begins with precision-engineered components. Every television begins with a tiny intelligent chip. Advanced automation builds the television's intelligent brain. The crystal-clear disc comes to life layer by layer. The brain of the TV comes alive. Thousands of components unite into one smart LED TV. Only perfect screens move forward. Software transforms hardware into a smart entertainment system. Only flawless televisions earn final approval. Every television is protected for its journey. From advanced engineering to your living room, every smart LED TV begins its journey here. From advanced engineering to your living room, every smart LED TV begins its journey here.